Hi there, I'm Monk the Fresh Fan 2007 again, and I'm going to be reviewing the Hot Wheels Battle Force 5 Buster toy which came recently. So let's showcase the driver! And there we go. And he even goes by the name of Sherman Cortez. There's good amount of sculpting on his muscles and detailing and paint on him. But the only thing which really annoys me, that in the actual show, he is shown to be having a brother called Spinner Cortez, but there is no figure and seat for him in the Buster toy. It's a real big shame they didn't even put Spinner in the toy. But I think it would be the problem with price that someone said on YouTube. But it's okay. Let's get on to the other thing the Buster can do, which is going to be very cool, as I'll put Sherman back in the cockpit, and there. So to activate the weapon system, you will need to press this button up here, and voila! The weapon system is activated. In fact, it even has wires and those spike things it even has, like in the actual show. I'll do a turnaround of it so you could see a good view on it. So, let me put this there. When you roll it back and forth, the wires turn around. And to make it complete, I'll add saw blades beneath the front. And there! All in battle mode. I'll turn this around so you can see a good view of the battle mode at the front, as I use the book to stand it up. Let me put it there. And it looks amazing in battle mode, as you can see it. But let's turn it back to normal and end this video. Well, if you like my video, make sure to comment, like, and subscribe to my channel, and click that bell button below this video. I hope you guys liked it, and I'll see you all in the next one. Bye, guys!